novation of contract is a mechanism in Australian law that replaces one contractual relationship with a new one, discharging the original contract and substituting the new contract relationship in its place. At its core, novation involves the extinguishment of the original contract, the creation of a new contract, and the consent of all the parties affected by the substitution, including the outgoing party, and continuing party and the incoming party. Novation is conceptually and legally distinct from assignment. Unlike assignment, which transfers only rights or benefits under the contract and leaves the original contract in place, novation replaces the contract itself, so the incoming party steps into the shoes of the outgoing party with respect to both rights and obligations. For a valid novation to occur, there must be a clear agreement between all parties that the original contract is to be terminated and replaced. Courts look for objective evidence of this consensual substitution rather than simply relying on the label novation. It is not enough that a third party performs the obligations or that the parties subjectively intend on a substitution. What matters is whether the parties have agreed that a new contractual relationship will govern future rights and duties. Because novation creates an entirely new contract, the original contracting party is released from its prior obligations once the novation takes effect. This release and substitution often needs to be documented formally, frequently in the form of a deed of novation, to ensure certainty and enforceability. Errors in understanding or implementing novation can have significant commercial and legal consequences. Confusing novation with assignment or assuming consent is implied may leave parties unintentionally bound to obligations they thought had been transferred. Understanding novation, how it operates, and how it differs from other contractual mechanisms is essential in commercial transactions where parties seek to substitute contractual relationships without unintended ongoing liabilities. Contact us today for a free 30-minute consultation with one of our commercial litigation professionals and let us help you protect your rights.